Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So this video, I'm going to discuss and I'm going to show you that based on the candlesticks pattern, how I made such a great profit in positional basis. So that I'm going to discuss with you. That is nothing but the stock which is Jindal Steel that I already updated. So where I was taken an entry and today I got my exit point. So where I was exited today and how much money I made, that I'm going to discuss in this video. If you are a new, just subscribe my channel. This charting scanner that was giving me such a great kind of information, and also filtering out the stock is very easy right now using the scanners and screeners. And mostly the charting is having an awesome um, thing which is useful to find out those kind of stock which forms a candlesticks pattern, and that was giving you such a great result in my trade. And based on that candle which I taken, so that was pays me a lot of money, right? So based on the bullish Arami candlesticks pattern, so that was we find out on 24th August, right? So this scanner which given a back test. So this one 24th August we got a 4 stock sale, Bharat Forge, Jindal Steel and Ultratech team. So I was taken a Jindal Steel that I was discussed with you. So this is the candle on 24th August where a lot of stock is forming. So by I focused this stock which gives you the Harami candlesticks pattern. So Harami candlesticks pattern where it is forms at the lowest level of the market. So there is a possibility of reversal in the market is quite high. Based on that, I did a trade on options. I already showed you 2 days back, on 3 days back on 3rd September. We have taken 380 call option. That is around 21 rupees. I was taken, and the same day we booked such a profit around 9,000. But I was waiting for the level where there is a gap between the trade. So here, can you able to see that the gap? I already mentioned my video. Jindal Steel can test around 403.8 because of the gap that is filled right now. After somewhere around 2 weeks later, the gap was filled in this particular stock. So based on this candlesticks pattern, I was taken an entry somewhere around 385. So in future spot market, based on that, I was taken a 380 call option, right? And the day itself where I taken, the same day it generated such a 9,000 profit. One of my student who booking that profit, that was shared on our Telegram channel too. But I was taken a 2 lot of that particular point for my 2 students. So that was now, and the next day, yesterday, it is a little bit down. So but still the trend is up, and I'm expecting the market can reach 403.8. Perfectly, it reaches that level today, and it is again closed below that. And if you check that, there is a candlesticks pattern which forms is nothing but inside out up, right? But it is a little bit higher and also a high price of this month. Okay, so we are not going to take, and our scanner will not scan this, but if you check nakedly, this is what the inside out of candle, right? So maybe if the market breaks above this level, even it will move up, right? So that is what I expected. But what I decided when I taken this entry at this point, so I'm expecting there is a this particular level of 4,403.7 is the expected level. So that reaches today, and I was booking such a great profit. So somewhere around, let's see, this is the profit where I was taken, but this is not a real, not a real entry point. This is not my real entry point. When I was taken at 22 and exited by 31.1 and 31.2. So let's take 11 rupees. We booked around 2,500 lot, nothing but 22,500 rupees. We booked on a single lot with the multiplied by 2 quantities, somewhere around 45,000 we booked here, and already we booked a 9k. So somewhere around 54,000 we booked on the single candlestick pattern. That was giving me such a great information where the market is going to reverse, that signal which is giving you by the candlestick pattern. So those who are believing that the candlestick pattern, you are able to make such a kind of money. right? So if I'm not able to believe that, so I cannot, right? So the importance of the candlestick pattern, whenever it forms a lower level and the higher level, there is a probability of reversal is very high. When we can do with the edging trade or a naked trade, so this trade which I was taking by naked, so most of the time we will do by edging kind of trade, so that will protect us even market is reversing, right? So that important thing, you understand the candlesticks pattern, that always works better and good, right? So a lot of comments I am getting very good, and only one guy is regularly commenting. I think he may not know what is the candlesticks pattern, or he was expecting only one strategy will suitable for all the market kind of conditions. I think he will close the terminal and he will say sit and watch the TV like that, so he can win the market. I think, I don't know what I can do. So if you are, again I tell you, if you, this channel is uh, for educational purpose, those who are ready to learn, you can learn free of nothing, and that is why I shared all the scanners and screeners to my Telegram channel with free of cost. But if you are making a negative comment, that is not affecting me, right? So you understand what I'm discussing with you, okay? So the same kind of pattern, same scanner which I shared in my Telegram channel, based on the same scanner which I'm taking a trade opportunity. So when I see the scanner, when I see the candlesticks pattern, so we cannot expect in a day, right? So we need to be do lot of workout, and we need to be do lot of practice. So once the practice makes the perfect, right? So when you see the one trade to get the stop loss, then this will not work like that. It's not a big one. So you should practice what is happening in the market. And I got a lot of comments as good, and I hope, I was thankful to you all being a subscriber of my channel. And if you have any questions and comments, you can comment it out, and when I seen that, I can make a video for that also. And lot of comment asking about swing trading, so I'll make a one. I'm back testing on a swing trading scanner. Once it is completely ready, I'll go to give you free of cost. Uh, so to trade in equity market, not a future and option market, to trade in a equity market, I can give you the free of cost. So this is the chart where it giving you such a somewhere around 54,000 profit in 3 days. So that I believed in positional, such a great opportunity is there to make a profit in positional kind of trade. So I was making a naked trade, but naked trade is always risky. Okay, so that you should understand, when you are doing a naked trade, you must know the naked trade always be the risky, right? And yesterday we showed some stocks, the candlesticks pattern. Today that is one is Tata Motor, Tata Consumer also we have taken, and today it breaks the level. From that it moves somewhere around 10 points, and after that is ending with the lower. Again now it is forming a shooting star like a candle. So still we agree to make the stop loss of this particular point from 877 to 863, almost 15 points we take a risk. So here it generates you somewhere around 10 rupees profit, and end of the day it is ending with the negative. So those who are taken a position, they are agreed to take that risk, right? What is present on previous candle. So what if you are taking the trade at this point, so you are ready to take that position. So you are agreed to give you 15 rupees risk. But now the market moves and again it is rejected, and now it is forming a shooting star like a candle. So whenever market closes below that level or crossing below that level by tomorrow, you can convert your position into sell. You are making a stop loss here, and now you are trialing your stop loss like that. So initially your stop loss is 863 and now 865. So you are going to reduce another 2 rupees whenever it breaks. Until if it does not break that level, you can keep wait, and there is a chances to move up. But most of the time it is already rallied, so there is a reversal possible. When it is broken below, so we can go for a short. And second one, Tata Motors, we are focusing it out. Yesterday perfected doji and spinning top on future. So this is based on our scanners, we selected it. And today it broken 296 and it made a low of 290.90. So somewhere around 295, 5 points it gives you in intraday. So how much you are taking the risk? Somewhere around a 2.95 is your risk. But here it generate you more than 1.5 risk reward ratio. That is what the benefit of the candlesticks pattern where you are focusing the right candlesticks pattern at the right time. So there is a good opportunity to make money using the candlesticks pattern. So two stocks. And what are other stocks which we have focused for our trade? Hindustan Unilever. So end of the day only it triggers our entry point. So maybe it is positional. So this one we are selecting for a shooting star by yesterday, and it triggers. So let's check what will happen by tomorrow. Not for intraday. This is we are taken for a positional. And Tata Consume we already discussed, and Tata Motor that is giving you such a profit. And another one is Metropolis, and where we are focusing breakout at this point. It is already given a breakout, and it moves somewhere around 20 points, and again it coming down. But the stop loss we fix it is very big. So if you are suitable for this stop loss, we are going to trade. Other than otherwise, we are not going to trade. But as per my strategies, so I know how I can make this strategy, this trade by hedging. So that we are teaching in our paid lessons. Okay. And this one is Hindustan Petroleum. There is no trade opportunity. We are expecting sell. It is not broken that level. And IOC, that is also selling. We don't get a sell opportunity. And finally, Jindal. Jindal is not for yesterday's stock. It is for almost 23rd August. We are tracking this Jindal. So, but even though where we are tracking more than 14 days or almost 14 days we are tracking, but that was giving you 54,000. It's not a small amount, it is huge and big. So that you should understand, that is the power where you are using the candlesticks pattern. And now you know what we are discussing here, and I hope this may be useful video to you all. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you for keep on subscribing my channel, and those thanks for your support. Thank you very much.